I'm Lisa Braginton, Wild Birds Unlimited Manager at Moana Nursery, and I'm here to talk about how Moana can help you create a hummingbird haven in your yard. In addition to the great free nectar program that we have and a wonderful assortment of hummingbird feeders to take care of your feathered friends, Moana Nursery is also your go-to source for flowers and plants that will make your yard the place where hummingbirds want to be. We have beautiful annuals, perennials, and shrubs, vines, and trees, all of which can help create a habitat for your hummingbirds. Much of the time people think about red being as the go-to color for our hummingbird habitat, and in fact it can help attract hummingbirds initially to your yard, but you don't have to have red as a color for hummingbirds to be happy with your flowers. Even beautiful blue or purple flowers can be great for hummingbirds. These are grown at our farm in northern Nevada, so you know they're going to be great for your yard and for your hummingbirds. Planting a variety of hardy perennials like catmint or bee balm are great ways to provide lots of habitat for all of your feathered friends, and these are very happy for your hummingbirds. Planting an assortment of perennials along with your annuals that bloom at different times will make certain that your yard is attractive to hummingbirds all season long. So once you've picked your flowers and planted up your yard, don't forget to add a few finishing touches. We have water features at Moana Nursery, some of them just for hummingbirds. And as a sort of mom's helper, we actually have nesting pods and nesting homes for hummingbirds, specifically for them to make sure that they hang out in your yard all summer long. And don't forget, free nectar at Moana Nursery. Keep your nectar fresh all the time. And if you need any help in picking out plants or hummingbird feeders or anything to make your yard a hummingbird haven, visit any of our 3 Moana Nursery locations and we'll be happy to help.